Vocabulary, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Rural and urban place. Listen and repeat the key vocabulary. Densely populated.
Densely populated.
Sparsely populated.
Sparsely populated.
Pedestrians.
Pedestrians.
Congestion.
Congestion.
Isolated.
Isolated.
Workshop.
Workshop.
School.
School.
Shop.
Shop.
Extra vocabulary. Dense.
Dense.
City.
City.
Village.
Village.
Sparse.
Sparse.
Traditional.
Traditional.
Metropolitan.
Metropolitan.
Greater Cairo.
Greater Cairo.
Careful.
Careful.
Busy.
Busy.
Home.
Home.
Desert.
Desert.
Environment.
Environment.
Though.
Though.
Inhabitant.
Inhabitant.
Population.
Population.
Like.
Like.
Conjugation of verbs. Regular verbs.
Present. Past. Want.
Wanted.
Live.
Lived. Irregular verbs.
Tell.
Told.
Have.
Had. Important expressions and prepositions.
Tell about. Want to. More than. Live in. Have to. A lot of. In the desert. Be going to. Close to. On isolated place.
Finally, read and trace.
Hello, my name's Fareeda, and I want to tell you about where I live. I live in Greater Cairo. It's a metropolitan area and densely populated. There are more than 20 million inhabitants, so it's a very busy place. There are a lot of cars, so there's also congestion. If you are a pedestrian, you have to be very careful.
Hi there. I'm Zane. I'm going to tell you about my village. It's sparsely populated, only about 700 people live here. It's also a very traditional place. It's in the desert, so it's an isolated place, too. We have a lot of services close to my family's home though, like shops, workshops, and my school.
You are excellent. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.